So today I've been out here playing with the new Tricer RP bipod. I've gone through a lot of bipods over the years. Short ones, tall ones, adjustable ones, fixed ones, trying to decide which one is best. All of you remember there was bipods with springs. There was a lot of different options. Tricer's kind of answered all of those issues that I've had over the years, or the need to buy more accessories, more parts, different leg adjustments, and they've kind of put it all in one package with this Tricer RP that we have available now. So a couple of the features that I really like are the ability to put it on, I've got it on a Picatinny rail right now. So super easy to put off and on with the Picatinny adapter. But not only did he include that one with this, he's also got the Arca-Swiss adapter, which would work on this gun further up on the forearm. This has an Arca-Swiss rail, pick rail here. And then even on this other gun with just a regular swivel stud, this is a Bergara, we were able to just take that swing stud and put this on just in the field. Screwed it on, and that gives you a pick rail here. So all of those parts come together, which allows you to not only fit your gun, but switch back and forth to other guns if you want to use the same bipod and not have to buy a whole new setup. But the Picatinny rail is my preferred one on this Gunworks rifle of mine. It's quick lock on and it's solid. So I really like that. Now, beyond that, you've got a bunch of different buttons and levers you'll have to get used to using, of course, for adjustments at the angle of the leg, and of course your width adjustment. Even with this taller version, which is a 3-part leg, you can go pretty low. We're just shooting here, and you can get pretty low to the ground with that, with the ability to extend the legs into a kneeling or sitting position, and work great for that as well. So pretty high. I'm 6'2", so I need a little bit taller bipod if I'm going to shoot, especially on level ground, and this works. If you want to go short and go prone, I don't know of another bipod company that does this. He includes the 2 shorter legs, which are the 2-part legs. Simply pull out the Allen, screw this in, and you've got a shorter set of legs, essentially creating a whole new bipod for you. Like, how they include that is pretty crazy. So all those parts come together. You're not stuck buying a bunch of different accessories. The adjustment, the swivel on the top, obviously you can adjust the tension on the head with this lever that's easily accessible, from the forearm. That's going to allow you to pivot. Now, it's not a ball head. It's more of a pan, which isn't going to allow you to pivot every direction. Gives you a little more rigidity and stability when you're shooting. We found when you run the legs all the way out, obviously it's the Tricer style where you got the thicker diameter leg at the bottom, smaller up top. But you are going to get some play when you're, fully extended. When you have this much linkage and this much going on up top, it's obviously going to play and wiggle there at every joint. But I found pushing into it, you're going to be strong. You're going to be able to push your gun weight into it and load the bipod how you wish. If you like round feet, it's got them. If you like a claw foot, it's got them. So it's kind of the one size fits all package, and comes in at a super nice price point at $349, I believe. So that's pretty good for the whole package, and you're only going to need one to go across all your different guns and all your different setups. So we're excited to use it this fall, get my kids out on it. I don't really let my kids shoot unless they're on a bipod or a tripod, so this is going to be our bipod of choice for this fall, and we'll see how it goes. As with anything that's a great gear item that you're going to want for this fall season, you better get on it quick. We've got them in stock right now at GearFool.com. I don't think I would wait, because they're probably going to sell out before hunting season gets here.